Hi, it's Dave again. Let's talk about teller stations. Most traditional stations have a number of peripherals required to serve customers, and they take up a lot of space. How about one device that can replace 4 or more of the traditional peripherals used in a teller station? Let's take a look at the S9000II, the only multi-function teller device of its kind in the industry. The S9000II uses one cable to connect to the PC and one for power, simplifying the workspace. It boasts the fastest check scanning speeds in its class, 225 checks per minute. The S9000II can also gather magnetic stripe data, scan IDs, do printed endorsement, print cut sheets, print cashier's checks, and also has a fully integrated thermal printer. All of this in one device. As I said, truly a one of a kind. What do you say we take this bad boy through its paces so you can see all that it delivers in one compact device? The check feeder can hold up to 100 checks at a time. No need for a check jogger. Simply align the checks on one edge and place them in the feeder. The S9000II will take it from there. The S9000II supports both virtual endorsement and printed endorsement. It also features an ID scanner which captures both sides of the ID in one quick pass. Simply place the item in the slot and the unit will take it from there. High quality images are delivered in either color or grayscale. When it comes to printing, the S9000II has both a thermal printer and an inkjet printer for whatever printing needs you may have. The inkjet printer has a print area of 2 inches to support printing of cashier's checks or cut sheets. The S9000II features an integrated T88 printer, Epson's workhorse thermal printer. It's perfect for printing customer receipts. Lastly, the optional mag stripe can capture up to 3 tracks of card data in one swipe. There you have it. The only teller device that has it all in one unit. From the fastest check scanning in its class to the best thermal receipt printer available. Everything you need for your teller station. If you like what you just saw, have any questions about the unit, or just want to chat, please contact us. We'll be happy to help. Don't forget to check out the other videos in our series.